This is my 200 quid Alfa 916 series Spider on a T-plate that I bought from a fella who'd bought it as a project, then decided it wasn't for him after he put a new battery in it that cost £90, so it was a very cheap car. I've sorted a few things out and given it a clean. I've put in some better seats. They're not that wonderful, but they were better than the ones that were in there. They were exactly the right type for the car. I put a new exhaust on the back and I cleaned the hood and got that to work. It's a manual hood, which I prefer. On the whole, it's just a bit kind of tired, a little bit neglected, and it's been standing, so there's a lot of surface rust on the underneath. The main problem with it is it doesn't run very well, which I suspect is the O2 sensor, which I've got that here. There's only one O2 sensor on these cars, and it's a pre-cat one. So as the exhaust was coming out anyway, I'm taking the opportunity to change that at the same time. As I'm going to change the suspension as well on front, the lower track control arms and anti-roll bar drop links on the front. The gearbox is coming out so I can change the clutch, because that was the main thing. It was pretty much undrivable. The clutch was very, very heavy, and what with the rather intermittent running, which can be one of three things, and I think it's the O2 sensor. I'm going to change that first. Could be the MAF sensor, it could be the idle stepper motor, but I think it's the O2 sensor. That's my thoughts. Yeah, it's a bit of a bargain, and being locked down, I've got a bit of time on my hands. I thought, right, here's a good time, got some nice weather. Let's take the gearbox out and put a new clutch in it, and do the other bits around the front while we're at it. So I shall let you know how I fare.